Hey everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to make a perfect French onion soup. Here we go. Okay, first things first, we're going to heat this up and then we're going to put some butter in for the onions. I don't have any actual butter, so I'll be using some calorie-reduced margarine. What you want is about 1 tablespoon of this. Now what we're going to want to do next is cut up some onions for this. I just happen to have some nice fresh white onions from the farm right here. We're gonna put some down and cut these down into little strips for the broth. Here goes. Now the butter is all melted, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the onions that we just freshly cut and put them in there. Look at that. It smells beautiful. Then you'll want to stir that up until it's nice and jammy. Okay, once those onions are jammed and ready, we're going to add a little bit of broth. I just so happen to have some vegetable broth right here. Perfect. Oh yeah. Oh, that's good. Hold on. Did I miss a step? I better check that recipe. Where did I put it? Is this it? No. Oh, there it is. I found it. Yes. Now in an ideal onion soup, you'll want to put a couple bay leaves, maybe some ground garlic, a little bit of thyme, fresh thyme ideally, but I don't have any of that stuff and I don't feel like grinding that fucking garlic. Also, you'll want to add some black pepper. I'm not going to put any in there because I'm white and I don't like spices. Maybe some salt too, but I mean that's just way too spicy for me. You'll also want to put a little bit of white wine. Just a little bit. Perfect. For this next step, you're going to want one of these cute little French onion soup bowls. If you don't have one, why are you even making French onion soup? Just give up. Just stop it. Alright. Time to serve this up. Let's plate it. It's really easy to plate some French onion soup. All you need is the soup itself, a ladle, and cheese, of course. Now there's a variety of different cheeses you can use for this, but the most popular ones are Gruyere and Brie, of course. Now all you do is you put down some soup in the bowl. There we go. Make sure you grab a lot of those freshly cut onions that are definitely not dehydrated. Yeah, that's the stuff. And then we add the cheese. And now for the taste test.